Hello all. This is an office space that we designed, and our client was a corporate company, or you can rather call them as a service provider of security and surveillance systems for government organizations and as well as private companies. They'd taken a building for lease, which was a still plus 3 structure, and the third floor of the building had a light roofing system with a false ceiling as a default. The clients were very specific about defining zones for the space. So what we suggested was to divide the 3 floors into 3 different zones, wherein the first floor had the reception area, the waiting area, the conference room, the small workstation area, and the room for the manager. The second floor was more of a private space where you had rooms for the MDs and the CEO. The accounts manager also had a cabin there and a small workstation there as well. And the third floor was totally dedicated for R&D and service programs, and it also had a big training hall. So when it comes to design, the client wanted it to be more of a minimalistic and a very neat and a clean design. And when we had a look at the site, the floor plate as such of each floor wasn't too big when compared to the number of cabins that was going to be placed in each floor. So we suggested them to have glass partition systems, which will not give you the claustrophobic feeling in the space, and it's closed yet open. You have that feeling of openness in each space. It was very interesting to design the conference room. We went in for a stretched roof system, which acts as a lighting system for the conference room. And instead of going in for straight lines, we went in for an oval shaped one. We matched this lighting system with the conference table, which was also not a rectangular one, but with beveled edges on all the sides. The MD's cabin, the clients wanted the room to have an earthy feeling amidst the minimalistic and the neutral hues in the space. So we went in for exposed brick cladding for the walls. And when you have a look at the ceiling, the air conditioning system is a circular shaped one. So to match it up with that, we went in for a bigger recessed circular lighting system for the MD's cabin. And for the third floor, they wanted a place to chill or have a cup of coffee and all that. So we and it wasn't a wide space there, so it was more of a balcony kind of a space. The flooring for all of the spaces was kept as vinyl wooden plank flooring, which is more durable and better for high traffic areas. There wasn't much interventions when it came to design, so we had a free hand in designing the space. As a whole, we enjoyed working on this project, and it was a very satisfying experience for us. Thank you.